Ever heard of Senafe, Eritrea? If not, you're in for a treat. Nestled in the highlands of Eritrea, Senafe is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Picture this: ancient ruins, stunning mountain views, and a warm, welcoming community. Did you know Senafe is home to Matera, an archaeological site with a mysterious obelisk? It's like stepping into a history book. And for nature lovers, the surrounding mountains offer fantastic hiking trails. Plus, the weather is perfect for outdoor adventures almost all year round. Think you've seen it all? Think again. Senafe's charm and beauty will surprise you.